Changing Brightspeed password. Hello users, today you are going to learn how to change Brightspeed Wi-Fi password. So let's get started. You have two methods. Method number one is you can complete the process by using the Brightspeed application. For this, go to the application and here you will see an option control your Wi-Fi. Tap on it, then select networks. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to update and you will see an option change network settings. Tap on it. Now enter a new Wi-Fi password and save the changes. Now move to method number two. You can do it through Modem settings. For this, connect your device to your Brightspeed Wi-Fi network and open a browser and go to their website. Then log in using the default username and password found on your modem label. If you have not changed it, go to wireless settings and here select Wi-Fi password. Then enter your new password and save. And that's all. That's how you will be able to change your Brightspeed Wi-Fi password.